Alright, so welcome back again into this section, into this video for our reseller tutorial. And in this video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano naman, anong gagawin kapag nakabayad na yung client ko, no, na-update na yung or na-activate na yung account niya sa website ko, na-receive ko na yung payment ni Juan de los Reyes, paano ko ipapasa sa iyo or sa akin, si Francis Clavano, yung reseller price. Paano ko babayaran yung reseller price? So, as you can see here, discuss muna natin to, that once you have a client na nag-approve na, nag-avail na ng package A, yung approval dito na papasok yung sa amin. Okay? So, pending muna because we haven't received the reseller price that we have agreed papunta sa akin. So, pending muna siya. And what if meron pang, pwede mong hindi mo nabayaran because there is a 7 days period na i-allow namin sa iyo na pwede mong bayaran yung reseller price. So, kasi automatically ma-activate na yung account ng customer, but we are giving you 7 days from the day that or from the time that the customer pays you to pay us yung yung reseller price that we have agreed na ibabayad mo sa akin or sa amin. So, pending mo na siya, but after 7 days, if hindi mo nabayaran yung reseller price going to us, the account of the customer, your customer will be deactivated. So, magkakaroon siya ng scenario in which case na si customer mo, tatawag sa'yo or ikaw yung habulin ngayon ng customer kapag hindi mo na forward sa amin yung reseller price. But we are giving you 7 days. Okay? Now, what if marami, sabay-sabay lahat, isa-isa ba mo bang ipapasa sa akin yung reseller price or reseller amount papunta sa akin, or pwedeng bultuhan or isahan lang or lump sum lang? Pwedeng isahan lang or lump sum lang. And how it should be do? So, kasi isa pa lang yung nagawa natin dito na stores, what if meron na namang another one na mag-register, no, at magbayad? So, register tayo ng panibagong sabihin natin si Juan to online store, yung pangalan niya. Sabihin natin si Juan to online store at gmail.com. Kunwari yung email address niya. Ay, sorry. So, ito yung email address and then yung pangalan niya, sabihin natin Juan de la Cruz. Sorry. De la Cruz the second, kunwari. Yan yung pangalan niya. Kaya Juan 2. So, yung niya, okay. Yan lang, random lang yan. Then, password niya, gawa lang tayo ng simple password. And then, yung country niya, again, yung Philippines muna. Pero later on, lalagyan natin to ng lahat ng country sa buong mundo. Okay, kasi you can sell your platform anywhere in the world. So, submit registration natin. Oops, store name with Juan 2 is already existing na daw. So, hanap tayo ng sabihin natin Juan to merchandising store, for example, like that. So, submit the registration natin. There you have it. Meron na siya kaagad account. No, refresh lang natin para makita yung mga dito. Kasi naka-load yung kanina. And what if mag-avail siya, mag-upgrade na siya, and then he'll gonna pay this one through GCash, yan, submit na niya. And once ganyan, natapos na yan, sisend na niya yung payment papunta sa iyo. Of course, account mo to ha, hindi sa akin. Sinet up natin on the previous, doon sa yung Cosmic Club Store account. So, let's go back to our reseller admin. As you can see here, diba? Meron ng dalawa, si Juan de los Reyes at si Juan de la Cruz. So, since na-receive mo na yung payment nito, ni Juan 2, or Juan de la Cruz 2, na-receive mo na sa GCash account mo or sa any payment option, then you can activate na his account. So, i-click mo lang ito, i-activate mo yan, website status, yung package A. So, makikita mo dito na merong package A. Kapag ka-prenes niya yung payment option, kung saan niya babayaran, then submit. Then, there you have it. Then, pwede mo rin i-bypass yung email verification niya para diretso na siya. Hindi na siya mag-verify pa ng email address. So, there you have it. Naka-activate na. And pwede na niyang magamit ito. Ito si Juan de la Cruz II. So ayan. Meron na siyang upgraded na yung account niya. Makikita mo dito kasi meron ng access your guides training now. Okay? So go to guide na. So that's how he can determine kung activated na yung account niya. And pwede na siya maka-upload dito ng mga options or ng maraming products, no, unlimited na products, unlimited categories. So, now, let's go to the billing. So, paano mo babayaran yung dalawa na to? So, punta ka dito sa billing and then just create billing. And automatically, i-compute na niya kung magkano yung babayaran mo papunta sa akin o papunta sa amin. Okay, andyan na kaagad. So, i-click mo lang yan, tapos, for example, this one, 880 lang na, depende yung amount na ibabayad mo sa amin, depende sa na-agree natin kasi merong fixed na amount, meron ding percentage, di ba? So, yung dalawang klase ng reseller, two types of reseller account or reseller program natin, yung per percentage na ikaw yung bibili ng domain name, maliit lang yung kailangan mong i-invest, and yung reseller type 2, which is may babayad ka ng yung server and malaking amount, and pero yung reseller price natin is fixed tayo 880, and maybe it can be changed along the way kasi depende, mag-i-increase din tayo ng pricing, depende sa pricing ng servers. So by this time makita lang na pwede ka na maka-create ng billing, then you can click diretso na, punta ka sa billing, and then the system will going to show you what are the account na kailangan mong bayaran. So, and then magtututal lang siya dito, and then you just click create. Alright? And then there you have it, na meron na na-create na billing with this kind of number. So, makikita na yan ng system namin. So, ipo-forward mo lang sa akin yung payment mo na 170. Dito rin sa billings mo makikita, sorry, wala pa pala as of this moment. Pero makikita mo dito sa billings yung billing account na yon or yung status ng billing na yon. And pag nabayaran mo na sa amin, then we're going to approve your, as you can see here, ayan, from pending, naging for approval na yung status ng mo. So, ibig sabihin nito, kapag na-receive na namin payment and we approve that one, magiging approved na to. And once approved, hindi na, after 7 days, hindi na mag-automatic deactivate yung account ng client mo. Okay? So, that's how the process goes on. Madali lang. Nothing complicated. Nothing so fancy about it. That's it. I hope na learn mo itong natin, yung system natin. And later on, I'm going also to, from time to time, I'm going to update you. I'm going to have a Zoom meeting with you. I'm going to have, I'm going also to provide you lots of information, valuable information para sa reseller program natin. Maraming salamat. Have a great day.